Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this Equibio polo shirt. Seems pretty nice. This is 85% nylon and 15% spandex. This comes in a ton of different colors. This is like the grayish green, which is kind of a really pretty color here. So that looks really nice. Actually just going to try this on real quick and see how it looks. Okay, well, it's actually really comfortable. It's like a perfect length. I got the large size here, and it's, yeah, it's like, I usually don't wear my shirts tucked in, so this is like just perfect length. Just still put your hands in your pockets. Nice, and it's not, I mean, I don't usually dress up a lot, so if you go to a nicer event or something, it's kind of more like casual, but also a decent a shirt that looks really presentable. I really like this color. So it does have like a kind of a spandex thing, so there is a little bit of stretch to this. So this is nice. You can get a smaller size if you want. And some people like a little bit baggier or a little bit tighter. If you get the medium size, obviously it's going to be a little bit tighter, but it does have that stretchiness in case you like that. So I think all in all, it breathes well. It's not like feeling hot or anything like that. Just kind of a nice, cool feeling right now. And it's a lightweight shirt. Feels really nice. Like the little logo on there looks pretty cool. But all in all, yeah, I'm really happy with this, man. It's just a nice addition to the wardrobe there. And I think it's gonna fit me well. Everything is pretty much perfect size here, so I really like it. So thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.